Hello friends, today we are going to learn multiplication. This is first lesson on this one. This is very important and a big topic. There will be multiple lessons and multiple videos on this. So please sit down, have a good look at the screen and listen me, and at the end I will tell you what you have to do with pen and paper. So the first we can ask ourselves why we learn multiplication, and for that we will take these addition problems when we have to add these numbers, like this one on the screen. You can see if we want to add 6's, this is not that big number, but still it's a bit hard to add them. We can do it with a little effort, and as we keep increasing the size of these numbers, 8s, 9s, now see, if you have to add 9s, it's even more difficult, but still you can manage. But imagine when numbers get 2 digits or 3 digits or even bigger, it is very difficult to add them. That's why we say, when tired of adding, we multiply. When numbers get bigger and bigger, it becomes harder and harder to add them. So we use rules of multiplication to add numbers. Let's have a definition of multiplication, especially for example of this. Multiplication is a fast and easy way of adding numbers. How to learn multiplication and what are those rules then? Let's see and try to understand. Kids, you in the maths we have only 10 digits to deal with, and those 10 digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You have seen them a lot, and you can notice 9 is the largest single digit here. There's nothing bigger than 9. Whenever we reach 9 and add one more, it turns into another small number. So 9 is the largest single digit, and in total you will see all these 10 digits again and again. They make all the numbers. Out of these 10 digits, a 0 is addition neutral. When we add 0 to something, it doesn't make any change. It doesn't increase or decrease anything. And 1, the second digit, is multiplication neutral. When we multiply 1 with any number, it doesn't make any change. It doesn't increase or decrease the number. So 0 and 1 are quite innocent digits, and we don't have to much worry about them. It's easy to handle them in addition and multiplication. The other 8 digits, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they need your attention. They are a bit hard ones, and we have to work hard to learn their rules. So first and foremost thing we have to do to learn multiplication is to be good at adding in 2's, 3's, 4's, 5's, 6's, 7's, 8's and 9's. You have done a lot of practice of these additions in your addition lessons, and these additions are called times tables. In multiplication language we call them multiplication tables or times tables. Once you know these tables, you can solve any multiplication problem without a calculator. Yes, I mean any. So let's see what those tables are and learn them one by one. As I said, there are 8 digits we want to focus on. They are 8 harder ones. They are hard to learn, so we will create them into 8 tables, 8 multiplication tables. You have already learned them in your addition lessons in counting on 2's to 9's. The first one of those 8 tables is table of 2, which we called in counting in 2s in addition lessons. Next one, table of 3, counting in 3s. Table of 4, counting in 4s. Table of 5, counting in 5s. Table of 6, counting in 6s. Table of 7, counting in 7s. Table of 8, counting in 8s. Table of 9, counting in 9s. So let's see them in a table form one by one. The first one first, table of 2, counting in 2s. Here on the left side I will write the basic addition problem, and on the right side you will see how that problem we solve in multiplication. We make a multiplication rule. In the first one you see there is only 1 2 here, there is nothing to add into it, so we say 1 times 2 is equal to 2. This is multiplication rule. And if we take next one, now we have 2 2's to add. We say 2 times 2 is equal to 4. We know this answer from addition, but now we are making a multiplication rule forever. We will know whenever there are 2 2's to add, the answer is 4, and use this one for multiplication problems. Okay, I'm keep increasing. I will increase the another 2 here. There are 3 2's to add now. 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and we read it 3 2's are equal to 6, or simply 3 2's are 6. Keep increasing the number of 2's. 4 2's now. 4 times 2 8. 4 2's are 8. Okay, you can see 5 2's to add. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 2's are equal to 10. You can count on the left. There are 6 2's now to add, and we say 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 6 2's are 12. 7 2's we want to add, we say 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 8 times 2 16. 9 times 2 is 18, and when we want to add 10 2's, they are equal to 20. 10 times 2 20. 10 2's are 20. So these are the multiplication rules to add 2's, and up to 10 2's. If you learn this is enough. You can solve any addition problem relating to 2 using these rules. So if I put this table on one page, on the left you can see this is the addition problem. I'm just showing us to show you how we build up, how we construct tables, how we make multiplication rules. And on the right side you see this is the actual table. It shows how we write these additions in multiplication form, and then I have written these statements how we read these tables. If I remove this left side, which is just to give you the basic understanding, this is the actual table. So now if you take pen and pencil, you write it down, practice it again and again, try to memorize it, and this will be a good tool for you forever. So good luck, and thank you for watching.